What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another Camelback Road intersection / crosswalk experience. We are here at a relatively newer crosswalk all along Camelback Road. But the real name, if there was one, I can't find it. But if you want to make a close guess as to where this is right near the Best Western Plus, aka the Sundial building. We got some Campbell ped safety standards. These are the older ones.
Wait to cross Camelback Road. Camelback. What sign is?
This one doesn't have a speaker that works, I don't think. But there's your pedestrian beacons on this side. That's it. Thank you all for watching.